If you're looking for a new hobby, I recommend juicing. Today we're going to make my top 3 favorite juices and what they do for your body. When I say hobby, I mean it's actually kind of therapeutic. This whole process maybe takes 30 minutes, but I drink it throughout the week, so to me it's worth it for the health benefits. So I love the juicer I have because it's extremely quiet and reasonably priced, and it's from Amazon, so I will link it. Let's start with the easiest one, just celery juice. It's pure celery and this is best on an empty stomach. It has a ton of vitamins and antioxidants. It will neutralize and flush out toxins in the liver. It boosts gut health and digestion, lowers cholesterol, strengthens your bones, and fights autoimmune diseases. Some people even say it literally has helped prevent cancer. I don't know about that, but I do love this and I do like the taste of it. Next is the ginger turmeric shots. I like to take this with food because it is quite acidic, but it helps with acne. It's prevented period cramps and bloating for me. It's immune boosting and it gives you a ton of energy. My third juice, I switch it up every week, but today I'm just doing golden beets and orange juice. Did you know that golden beets are actually sweeter than the red ones? They contain lots of fiber, help lower blood pressure, and fight inflammation. Orange juice because there's a ton of vitamin C, which we all love, but did you know that ingesting vitamin C will also help produce collagen, which will keep you looking young and your skin glowing? And don't forget to wash all your fruits and veggies.